Murphy? What's up, Murphy? What's up, Murphy? What's up, Murphy? Ah, I still record. Oh shit. I'm joking. What's up, Murphy? What's up, baby? What's up? What's up? Goodbye. Tries to catch a fly. Oh, you look at me like, can I? Yeah, you can. Yeah, good. I used to be class thing, you know, like, but planting and stuff. That used to be that, but they take over, and you can't see the glass right back there. But when I'm older, I might change, you know, but that's somewhere else. But yeah, and yeah, 2 more weeks. Yeah, 2 more weeks, and then no voltages. Yeah. Just really nice weather. Fuck. Since I got sunburn. There I can. Yeah. My dog is right there, looking at something. Right there. What the fuck is he looking at? Oh, the car is right, luckily. I think you can't see it, but something right back there. You can see it a little bit, but you see something. Yeah, you see a guy coming out of the car. So I think so. My dog can't see him. So, yeah. Guys, I'm not gonna record with my dog a couple of minutes. Like, I will record myself with my dog, and yeah, my dog. I will upload my dad video. Got like his wedding. I was there, but I was last month, I think, or this month, but I was there. Quite cool. He, he got skateboard down the. Trying to. He think he's gonna jump off, hit himself on that ball. You know when they close the gate? Yeah, gate thing. You know that color, like red and white thing. Yeah, and he said, yeah, whatever. Bend over and skate. And guess what he did? He skate. And he's a good skateboarder. But he's not the best, but he's good. I'm not very good. I sit down and skip down the hill. Then I always get cut. I don't care. I'm a jackass, but I don't care. That's men do, boys. I mean, maybe women can do it. I don't care. But yeah, this is a good house. I don't know why I said that. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Guys, I'm gonna record myself destroy my old Samsung. It's broke long time ago. So, not really old, like, yeah, it is old, it's damaged. I will show you when I come back home. I just remembered. I'm trying to say it, but I forget. So yeah, I might shoot it soon, and yeah. I got stepdad, he's black. He's cool, I like him. He's a best. But, and my stepmom, and my dad, and my mum. Yeah. Car passed. And, yeah. I like sitting down here, and look, and look at the sky. And look the birds sing. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, please comment for my word what I want to call it. So call it something world, but please comment. So I'm making. I told you guys doing like a world for Minecraft. It's like a town, so it's like modern town, and some houses is really. And that's my. David. Sunny. See? Well made. I might build. Sorry about that. I'm just kidding. I might build this house. I'm gonna take a picture and build it in Minecraft, so I'll remember it. It will take me ages, but I want to do this. Yeah, good house. I will not do these houses, by the way, but I'm gonna do my grandma house. Grandma house. I'm gonna call it that. Grandma house. On Minecraft. So please comment say something or say city Aberystwyth maybe. I don't care what called. I don't care. Please comment down, and then I will make it. I will make the call. I will do the sign. The sign. I'll make a block and the sign thing up there. So okay. So yeah, no, that's my mum. Yeah. I'll see you soon, guys. And we're going now and going home, bitch. So we're going home, and I'll do a video about the mice under the seat. Yeah. See you soon, guys. And please subscribe. Please, please, comment, whatever. Don't care, but I want to do this for my, I'm like creator. I want to do this. So I'll see you soon. Peace out, bitch.